For the
Alright.
next tram to Terminal 3 baggage claim for all international carriers and Frontier, Hawaiian, Sun Country, and United.
It's gonna be a one-way trip. They have tinted windows on these trains for some reason. It makes them really hard to see out of. But yeah, we're also the only people on the train. So this is one of their three systems. Unfortunately, it's only going to be a round trip video. It's only going to be a one-way, I think.
Please stand clear of the tram doors.
Feels weird not to hear piano music when the doors close.
This train is going to Terminal 3 for baggage claim, ground transportation, ticketing, and e-gates. Please hold on to a post or handrail.
Here we are, Concourse E. That was a short ride.
This is the final stop. Exit now for Terminal 3 baggage claim, ground transportation, ticketing, and e-gates. Please check for all personal belongings before leaving the tram.
It's gonna take a while to leave, so that's it.